and while coming up we will be coming through that road. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, right now I am in Arivikad village of Munnar and I'm staying inside the tea estate. It is so nice to be here. This place is, offbeat, and it's far from the crowd of Munnar, and it's so peaceful and it's so nice to be here. So guys, I'm staying in this village Arivikad, which is the gardens are maintained by the self-help groups, and this is so incredible. You can see the view. Wow. And also see how beautiful it is looking. I don't know what this red color flag. It's of some political party, I think. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. I'm just loving this. You can see the tea gardens everywhere. See? How beautiful it is looking. For the first few days, I felt like a tourist over here because I was just visiting crowded places, touristic places. But finally, I'm where I always go. This is offbeat and it is so nice. You can visit these places only with the help of locals. And if you are looking for any local contacts, I'll share in my video description. You can check that out. So whenever you are coming to Munnar, you can get in touch with that person. I don't know what to say. I have no words to describe it because it's looking so beautiful. See? There is small temple also. And you can see this. It's foggy. It's heavenly beautiful. Wow. Just enjoy the morning walk with me. And there is moon also. Yes, there is moon. Oh, nice. See? Wow. I don't know the name of that peak. I'll try to ask someone. But here, right now, I can't find anyone in the morning. See? Wow. Just have fun. Enjoy the view. Wow. This is so nice. Oh, just walking. Wow. If you want to, see the tea gardens in India, you should visit Darjeeling, you should go to Sikkim, you should go to Valparai, and you should also visit Munnar. In these places, the tea gardens are very, very scenic. See? I don't know where I'm going. I'm going inside the tea estate. I hope no one will say anything. Wow. So mesmerizing. Wow. When I was in Darjeeling, I didn't get to see the tea flowers. And now you can see the flowers. Here, so many. This. All are flowers. Here also. Tea flowers. Enjoy the tea gardens of Munnar, Kerala with me. That's also in the early morning. Okay, I hope I don't encounter any animals or anything, or no leech, because I don't want to donate my blood to leeches and all. See the tea gardens in the background. They all are tea gardens. Oh, this is good for cycling also. And while coming up, you will be coming through that road. That is the way to come up. And while coming up, no, it looks so scenic and it looks very, very beautiful. I will just fall in love with this. And don't worry, you can check the contact details in my video description. See, it's like I'm in heaven. Wow. People are going to town or work. Going. हाँ. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Guys, I'll share his contact number in my video description. Someone is coming? Someone is coming? Oh. I'm staying at this Anna's house. Okay, bye. So nice. People are really so warm, welcoming, and friendly. So nice to be here. Good morning. How are you? Good. Nice village. Nice. Better than Munnar town. Bye. This is good. Bye. They're talking. I said like this area is better than Munnar town. So this is the village where I'm staying. Arivikad village. And these houses, they look same. Only they have different doors for the houses where it's combined. And they have peach plant. No. This is the village. I mean their houses. So guys, I'm leaving this village now. Bye. Bye. So guys, finally I'm leaving this wonderful village, and this is so nice to be here again. See? Tea garden, tea garden, tea garden.
நட்சத்திரத்துல கிறிஸ்டின் இருப்பாங்களா நிறைய நிறைய கிறிஸ்டின் எல்லா மதக்காரர் ஆமா
So guys, I have reached Munnar town and it's very crowded. I hope you enjoyed, Arivikad vlog. With that, I'm gonna end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe.